Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. Since high-voltage capacitors used in microwaves may retain a charge even after the microwave has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace internal components. To replace the transformer, you will need to uninstall the appliance. Before you do this, remove the glass turntable and support. Have an assistant support the microwave while you unthread the 3 mounting bolts from the upper cabinet. Carefully tilt the microwave down and pull the power cord through the hole in the cabinet. Now lift the microwave off of the mounting plate. Set the appliance down on its rear panel on a sturdy surface covered by a towel or blanket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the oven's bottom panel. Disconnect the LED light wire connector and fully remove the bottom panel. Tip the appliance upright and prop up the front. Open the door and unthread the 2 screws securing the front vent. You can use a putty knife to help pry off the vent. Next, unthread all of the screws, securing the cabinet cover. Unthread the 3 screws securing the blower assembly cover. Slide the cover back to detach. You can now fully remove the cabinet cover. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Now position the appliance so you can access the transformer mounting screws. Unthread the screws. Disconnect the transformer wires from the magnetron and capacitor. Detach the primary power wires, and you can fully remove the old transformer. Install the new transformer by first connecting the power wires. Position the transformer on the base and connect the wires to the capacitor and the magnetron terminals. Thread the screws to secure the transformer. Reposition the cabinet cover. Rethread all of the screws. Slide the blower assembly cover into position and thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the front vent by aligning the top edge first, then press the bottom edge into place. Rethread the 2 screws. Tip the appliance back. Reinstall the bottom panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Realign the panel and rethread the screws. Now carefully reposition the microwave on the mounting plate by hooking the back edge of the appliance on the tabs. Insert the power cord through the hole in the upper cabinet. Lift the microwave up and secure it with the mounting bolts. Plug the power cord back in. Replace the turntable support, then align the turntable on the coupler, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.